Yesterday, we have moved on to first grade math. We learned about addition, but today we are going to talk about subtraction. So what do we know about subtraction? Amelia? Oh wait, I can't hear you. Hold on. Okay.
A smaller number.
Yeah. We start with a bigger number and then we get a smaller number. Can you show me the symbol for subtraction? I see Alana showing me already. I see Amelia. I see Jaden. All right, perfect. One more question. Subtraction starts with what? Jaden?
The whole.
The whole, yes. And how do we find the whole? We have to count them.
Oh.
All right, I think we are ready to get started. I'm going to share my screen with our first grade math. Are we good? Can everyone see? Good.
There are 7 ducks. 3 ducks fly away. How many ducks are left?
So as you have seen in your work, a lot of your work is like this. This is called a word problem. And in first grade, it's easy to fall behind if you cannot read. Parents, if they can't read the word problem. But I'm going to read it one more time. There are 7 ducks. 3 ducks fly away. How many ducks are left? So we need to take all of that information and put it into a math equation.
You can use cubes to show ducks. 7 is the whole. There are 7 ducks.
So we start with the number 7 because there are 7 ducks in all. That is the whole number. There are 7. And some of them are going to fly away, which means we need to take away.
3 is one part. 3 ducks fly away.
So we're not going to put more because in subtraction, we are taking away. Now they're showing you the 2 parts. 7 was the whole, all of these together. And they took 3 birds away.
To find the number of ducks that remain in the pond, subtract 3 from 7 and count the rest. How many ducks are left? Select your answer.
How many ducks are left? And you get to choose your answer. That's really cool. Jaden?
3.
There are 3 ducks left. All right, let me click the 3. Oh.
4.
Well, let's try again, Jaden. In all, there were 7 ducks. And then 3 flew away. And you have to find your answer by counting what is left.
4.
Write the difference as a subtraction equation.
So now we get to take all of those words and that math story and put it into a subtraction equation. Now, the answer of our subtraction equation is called the difference.
7 minus 3 equals 4.
Okay, would anyone like to read this math equation? Giovanni? Unmute, I can't hear.
Is 7 minus 3 equals 4.
Thank you. Let's have one more person read it. Alana?
7 minus 3 equals 4.
Yep, we took all those words and turned it into a subtraction equation. Now let's look at the equation and let's tell a math story using the equation. So I'll start. Miss Marrero had 7 students on Zoom for the math lesson, and then 3 had to leave early. How many students were left? In the Zoom lesson, there were 4 students left. See, that's the really cool thing about math. You can tell stories using numbers, and you can use numbers to tell stories. Would anyone like to tell me a math story using this subtraction equation? Jaden?
If you have uh, 7 notebooks and you have 3 more, and then you took 3
You
away,
took 3 away, yep.
that makes 7.
If you have 7 notebooks and you take 3 away, how many notebooks will you have left?
7.
Not 7. 7 is the whole. We started with 7 and we're taking some away. So we are going to get a smaller number.
3.
7, take away 3. How many are left?
4.
4 notebooks would be left. Would anyone else like to tell a math story using the equation? Alana, is your hand up?
7 apples.
I have 7 apples. I take 3 away,
You have what?
4
And then you have 4 apples
left.
left. Beautiful. Amelia, would you like to tell a math story?
I had 7. I had 7 whiteboards to do work, and I took away 3, and I had 4 left.
That's perfect. That is a math story. Jaden is giving you a round of applause. All right, Giovanni, tell me your math story.
I had 4 Legos. Then I give 1 to Jonathan, and then I have how many left is 3.
So you have 4 Legos. You gave 1 to Jonathan, and you had 3 left. I love it. You told me a subtraction math story. All right, are there any questions about subtraction? Subtraction is way harder than addition. but we're doing really well. Any questions about the work? Most of you submitted it already. All right. So let's say bye to our friends.
Yeah. I miss
All
my
tomorrow.
brother.
Bye.
Bye, Miss Marrero.
Bye, Giovanni.
Yeah, when you're done.
I love you, Miss Marrero.
Bye, Amelia. Bye, Alana.
Bye, Miss Marrero.